What in the madness is going on here? You know, let me tell y'all something. You could add some water to a pot, add some salt, a little bit of butter, bring that thing to a boil, wash some rice, put that rice in that pot, and steam that thing. Boom. You got steamed rice. What they about to do with this egg? Oh my God. Now they separating the yolk. Like they always doing the most. I swear they always doing the most. Like, why? Okay. Okay. See, this is, oh no. Mm-mm. Now I've heard of people frying an egg and putting it on top of the rice. You know what I'm saying? Easy. You ain't gotta be, look at this. What's the point? You ain't gotta be going around all these corners to be doing all this. This is crazy. Or you could even scramble the egg and throw it in the rice after you steam it, like they do when they're making fried rice. But this is too much. Man, so dumb.